Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Power here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see demo call for today. Today it's 22 April and this call which you are able to see on screen is already given to the paid clients, and with this video I am giving this demo call to the YouTube subscribers. This demo call has already been given on my Telegram channel. Telegram channel is Sunil Power Best Option Analyst. This is the name of the channel, but in Telegram you need to search Sunil Power Option King. Sunil Power Option King. If you search in Telegram, you will find this channel. There are already 4,156 subscribers have joined this channel, and the benefit of joining this channel is you will get demo calls here regularly. So these are the demo calls which are given for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. So trading of these calls are like this. These are already given on Telegram channel. The rule number 1 is enter in call option if call option crosses its entry price. Enter in put option if put option crosses its entry price. Rule number 2 is double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. If call hits stop loss by double quantity of call or put, whichever activates. Rule number 3 is if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. I'll tell you in detail. See, Nifty call 14,250. If crosses 63.88, then only the trader will buy. Nifty put 14,250. If crosses 76.71, then only trader will buy. So now currently if you see the price of Nifty call option or Nifty put option of 14,250, then you will find both the price of call option, price of put option, both prices are below the entry price, below this price given on the screen. So let us say Nifty call option 14,250 maybe around, let us say 55. Current price is 55. When it crosses 63.88, then only we'll buy. Let us say Nifty put 14,250. Let us say, for example, current price is 65. Current price is 65. Nifty put current price is 65. When it crosses 76.71, then only we'll buy. So this way, Nifty, Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty, call or put, whichever crosses entry price, either call will cross entry price or put will cross entry price. So whichever crosses entry price, trader will take trade there. Number 1. Number 2, if for example Nifty call 14,250 crosses entry price of 63.88 and then hit the target of 94, for example, then if that target is hit within 2 hours, then trader may hold that trade with the stop loss on cost till 3:20 p.m. If today any trader, for example, if he is taking trade with 2 lots, 1 lot he will book on target, 1 lot he will hold till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. So that is the rule. And for example, if any trader Nifty call 14,250, if a trader enters into call option and if that call option does not hit target but it hits stop loss, in that case what a trader will do? A trader will exit on stop loss. Trader will exit on stop loss, number 1. Number 2 is then he will wait for put to activate. He will wait for put to activate. If put activates, the trader is expected to buy double quantity. Means if he has bought 2 lots of call option and if that call option has hit the stop loss and if put activates, then the trader will buy 4 lots of put. Then 2 lots he will book on target, so loss is recovered. Whatever loss he incurred in call option, that loss was recovered, and remaining 2 lots he will hold till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. So that is same for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, same for call and puts. So these are the rules. And if for example a trader entered into call option hit the stop loss, but put option did not activate and call option again activated, then in this case again trader can buy 4 lots of call option again. If call option first cross the entry price, then hit the stop loss, then put did not cross the entry price and the call option again crossed the entry price, then in this case also the trader will buy 4 lots of double quantity of call option. The same rules for puts also, same rules for bank nifty, nifty and fin nifty also. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and I have shared my contact number here, so you can contact me anytime for the daily paid services. So thanks for watching this video, and let us see what happens with these calls. I will update the performance of these calls on my Telegram channel and on YouTube also. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.